Hey, what's up? The new day is a new video about QCY wireless earbuds. We have already made videos about QCY T11S, QCY T13 and QCY HT01C. You can watch them by the links in the description. Today I want to tell you about one of the cheapest TWS earbuds with active noise cancellation. They are called QCY HT03. You can buy them for only $27 during 11/11 sale on ALIEXPRESS. I will leave the link in the description under the video. The other features of QCY HT03 are transparency mode, 10mm driver, Bluetooth 5.1, 4 microphones and app support with equalizer settings. As usual, we will test the latency in games, microphone quality, sound quality and battery life of the new QCY earbuds in this video. However, let's start with unboxing. I will dwell on the package of QCY HT03, because it is the same as the previous QCY earbuds, only the image of the wireless earbuds and main features are different. However, the design of the box is the same. Inside the box we have a charging case and earbuds of black color, USB Type-C cable, silicone ear tips and user manual. By the way, the silicone ear tips are different size. You need to choose the most suitable for you. The design of QCY HT03 is similar to the previous QCY T11S earbuds. However, if QCY T11S are available only in white color, then you can buy QCY HT03 in only black color. By the way, the manufacturer calls this color a starry black. The charging case and earbuds have UV polished coating and they feature crystal-like housing. In addition, the charging case of QCY HT03 is more rounded than QCY T11S, so it is more comfortable to hold in one hand. There is only one LED on the front of the charging case, USB Type-C port at the bottom and physical button on the back. The earbuds have touch control panels and dual mic. In total, there are 4 microphones. Later in this video we will check microphone quality. I also want to tell you the dimensions of QCY HT03 earbuds. They are 33 by 23 by 24 mm. The size of charging case is 55 by 50 by 24 mm. As for the comfort, QCY HT03 earbuds are very good for me. I listened to the music for some hours and I didn't feel any discomfort. However, it seems that they don't have a water protection. At least I didn't find any information about it on official website or user manual. Before talking about control functions, I want to install QCY app on smartphone. By the way, I have told you that QCY HT03 are available only in black color, but they are white in the app. Probably there will be a white color option of these earbuds, but it is not available on ALIEXPRESS or official website yet. So in the app we can change the button functions of the earbuds. You can assign a function to single tap, double tap, triple tap and double tap when calling. Using touch panel so we can play pause the music, skip track forward, skip track backward, voice assistant, volume up and volume down, gaming mode and ANC. You can also choose a mode for wireless earbuds, such as ANC ON, ANC OFF and outdoor or transparency. There is an option to activate gaming mode in the app. I like QCY earbuds because they support app and equalizer settings. However, equalizer settings are available only when ANC off. There are hard sound effects in the app, such as default, pop, bass, rock, soft and classic. You can also use custom equalizer settings. Okay, I have already activated gaming mode, and we can play PUBG Mobile to check the audio delay in the games. I think that latency is very low. Do you agree? It's time to test the microphone of the new QCY earbuds. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of QCY HT03. The wireless earbuds have 4 microphones and ANC technology. The sound quality should be good. Do you hear me well? Write in the comments below. QCY HT03 earbuds have 10mm driver, AAC and SBC codec support. However, there is no aptX support, because the chip is not from Qualcomm. The bass is really powerful on these TWS earbuds. However, the vocal is not very clear. I tested QCY T11S some days ago, and they have much better sound quality because of the new Qualcomm 3046 chip and aptX adaptive support. However, they don't have ANC. Actually, ANC is one of the main features of QCY HT03. The wireless earbuds are equipped with forward and backward microphones to collect the noise from both environment and ear canal. QCY HT03 has 35 dB noise cancelling. By the way, they are one of the cheapest wireless earbuds with ANC on the market. As I already said, you can buy them for only $29. Talking about battery life of QCY HT03. They have 380 mAh charging case. You can use it 3 times to fully charge the wireless earbuds. The playtime on a single charge is 5 hours with ANC on and 6 hours with ANC off. The total battery life with charging case is 20 hours with ANC on and 24 hours with ANC off. So if you need active noise cancelling, then QCY HT03 are one of the best wireless earbuds on the market. Their price is only $29, but they have very good ANC and transparency modes. However, if you want really quality sound, then I would recommend you to buy QCY T11S. They have hybrid dual driver, Qualcomm chip, aptX adaptive support. You can buy them for only $31 during 11/11 sale on ALIEXPRESS. I will leave the links to buy QCY earbuds in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.